NAND realization. NAND realization, and the second one is NOR realization. And generally we can realize the logical expressions by using AND, OR, and NOT gates. This is the procedure to realize the given expression y equal to AB plus BC plus CA by using AND, OR, and NOT gates. That is the SOP expression. How many product terms are there in that one? 3 product terms. To realize that SOP expression, it requires 3 AND gates and 1 OR gate to sum all those product terms. So it is a 2-level realization. First level gates are AND gates, and the second level gate is an OR gate to realize SOP expression. So to realize that one, it requires the first product term is AB. So connect A and B as input to this one. The second one is BC. So connect B and C inputs. The third one is CA. Connect C and A. No doubt in that one. The output of this AND gate is AB. This one BC. And this one CA. So Y is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. This is the realization of given expression by using AND, OR, NOT gates. And in this expression, there is no complement. So there is no need for a NOT gate in this realization. The same expression can also be realized by using only NAND gates. By using only NAND gates. If we connect 2 NOT gates in this line, there is no change in the realization. Actually, the output of this AND gate is AB. Output of this NOT gate is AB bar. Output of this NOT gate is AB bar bar. So that is also equal to AB itself. That is also equal to AB. So if we connect 2 two NOT gates in series, there is no change in the realization of the circuit, the realization of the expression. Observe this one, this part of the circuit. Observe this part of the circuit. AND gate followed by a NOT gate. AND gate followed by a NOT gate. It is equal to NAND gate. So replace AND gate and a NOT gate with a NAND gate. Similarly, here also. Similarly, here also. At this input and for this OR gate, at each input, there is a NOT gate. There is a NOT gate. So this one can be replaced with here, place a symbol. That symbol indicates the action of the NOT gate. That symbol indicates the action of the NOT gate. So similarly, that is the bubbled OR gate. Bubbled OR gate. What is meant by bubbled OR gate? And if that OR gate has bubble at each input. According to the De Morgan's theorem, bubbled OR gate is equal to the NAND gate. According to the De Morgan's theorem, bubbled OR gate is equal to the NAND gate. So replace bubbled OR gate at the output into a NAND gate, a 3-input NAND gate. No doubt in that one. The output expression y is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. The output expression y is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. No doubt in that one. And for your convenience, for example, output of this one is equal to AB bar. This one is equal to BC bar. This one is equal to CA bar. Our final output y can be written as y is equal to AB bar into BC bar into CA bar whole bar. So according to the De Morgan's theorem, it can be rewritten as AB bar bar plus BC bar bar plus CA bar bar. That is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. To realize the given expression AB plus BC plus CA, by using only NAND gates, no doubt in that one, the first level gates are NAND gates and the second level gate is also a NAND gate. First level gates are NAND gates and the second level gate is also a NAND gate. No doubt in that one. It can realize the given SOP expression. So what is the procedure to realize the given SOP expression by using only NAND gates? The first level gates are NAND gates. The second level gate is also a NAND gate. Automatically it realizes. Memorize that one and note that line also. To realize the given SOP expression by using only NAND gates, the first level gates are the NAND gates and the second level gate is also a NAND gate. is also a NAND gate. Automatically it realizes. For example, note that one. Take 1 minute time and draw the circuit. For example, if the given expression is A bar B plus BC plus CA bar A bar B plus BC plus CA bar. To realize it by using AND or NOT gates, the first level gates are AND gates and the second level gate is an OR gate, and it requires one NOT gate for A bar. There is no need for two NOT gates. And only A bar is there, so it requires only one NOT gate for that. And by using AND or NOT gates, it requires 3 2 input AND gates, 1 3 input OR gate, and 1 NOT gate. To realize that expression by using only AND gates, no doubt in that one, the first level gates are NAND gates and the second level gate is also an AND gate. So it requires 3 product terms are there. So 3 2 input NAND gates and 3 product terms are there. So it requires 1 3 input NAND gate in the second level. So for this complement, for the action of NOT gate, and for a 2 input NAND gate, if both the inputs are shorted, it acts as a NOT gate. It acts as a NOT gate. If A is the input, output is equal to A bar. Output is equal to A bar. It is a 2 input NAND gate, both the inputs are shorted, it acts as a NOT gate. So for that one, it requires one more 2 input NAND gate. One more 2 input NAND gate for that NOT action. So actually, it is called as a single input NAND gate. Actually, single input NAND gates are not available. Single input NAND gate means it's a 2 input NAND gate, both the inputs are shorted. So actually, in the case of single input NAND gate, for our convenience, it can also be drawn as this one. Actually, it looks like an AND gate symbol. It has only one input and one output. So it indicates that actually it is a 2 input NAND gate. Both the inputs are shorted. So it acts as a NOT gate. It acts as a NOT gate. Both are the same, no doubt in that one. And so for our convenience, the case of single input NAND gates, we have to draw this type of symbol. Actually, this is a NOT gate symbol. This is a single input NAND gate symbol. That is a NOT gate symbol, and this is a single input NAND gate symbol. So to realize this expression, it requires a bar. So connect here what is this one? A single input NAND gate, and actually it is a two input NAND gate. Both inputs are shorted. It acts as an NOT gate. So what is the output of this expression? Output of this single NAND gate, A bar. So what is the output of this one? A bar B whole bar. Output of this one? BC. Output of this one? Output of this one? And actually this is a C A bar. So this is for C and A bar. And for A bar, there is no need for one more NOT gate. Actually, it can also be used. What is this one? A bar. So connect this one to this NAND gate input. So for this one, what are the inputs? A bar and C. So C A bar. Sorry, BC bar, C A bar. Bar. No doubt in that one, Y is equal to same as in the previous example, A bar B plus BC plus C A bar. Draw this one also. Realization of expression Y equal to A bar B plus BC plus C A bar by using only NAND gates. By using only NAND gates. Draw this one also. Take 1 minute time. For a small change, realize the given expression by using AND OR NOT gates. What is the given expression? The given expression is in SOP form, sum of products form. In that one, there are 3 product terms. In this product term, there are 3 variables. In this one, only 2 variables. In this one, only 1 variable. Only one variable. So to realize that one, by using AND, OR and NOT gates, how many number of AND gates are realized? Actually, in this one there are three product terms. One product term contains only one variable, so there is no need an AND gate for that product term. For A, there is no need for an AND gate. So it requires two AND gates. One is 3-input AND gate, and the second one is 2-input AND gate. To sum these three product terms, it requires one 3-input OR gate. One 3-input OR gate. Here, literal A bar is there, here B bar and C bar. So for that one, it requires three NOT gates. So to realize that expression, for this one, what are the inputs? B bar and C bar. So it requires NOT gates. So this is B bar. And this one is C bar. It requires, for this one, A bar BC, it requires one NOT gate, A bar, B, C. What are the inputs to this one? One is the A input, connect directly A to one of the inputs of this OR gate. Next, B bar, C bar. Next, A bar, BC. No doubt in that one, Y is equal to. So this is B bar, and this one is C bar. This is B bar, C bar. This is A bar, and this one is A bar, BC. And Y is equal to, no doubt in that one, A plus B bar, C bar plus A bar, BC. Draw that one. Realization of the given expression Y equal to A plus B bar, C bar plus A bar, BC by using AND, OR and NOT gates. Draw that line. Take one more example. To realize the given realize the given expression Y equal to A plus B bar, C bar plus A bar, BC by using only NAND gates. By using only NAND gates. What is the procedure to realize the given SOP expression by using only NAND gates? First level gates are NAND gates, and the second level gate is also a NAND gate. So simply replace this one with a NAND gate. This one also with an AND gate. This one also with an AND gate. And one more important point here is only one variable is there in any product term. We have to connect the complement of the literal to the input of the last NAND gate. Connect the complement of this one to the input of this NAND gate. And so if A is there here, you have to connect not A to this one, A bar to this one. Then only it releases. Observe, this is A bar. Output Y is equal to, in this case, one of the input is A bar, and the second input is B bar, C bar, whole bar, and the third input is A bar, BC, whole bar. According to De-Morgan theorem, it can be written as A bar bar, that is equal to A. BC, B bar, C bar, bar bar, that is equal to B bar, C bar. Plus A bar, BC, bar bar, that is equal to A bar, BC. And here one important point is to realize the given SOP expression by using only NAND gates. First level gates are NAND gates. Oh, sorry. Here also we have to draw a single input NAND gates, not the NOT gates. We have to draw a single input NAND gates, not the NOT gates. To realize the given expression by SOP expression by using only NAND gates, if any product term contains only one literal, you have to connect the complement of that literal to the one of the input of the second level NAND gate. One of the input of the second level NAND gate. Memorize that point. In the case of AND or NOT realization, we have to connect the A only to the OR gate input. In the case of NAND realization, we have to connect the complement of that one, A bar only, to the input of the second level NAND gate. Does. And actually, here also there is no need for another two NOT gates for A bar action. Actually, that is the A bar. So simply connect the output of this one as input to this one. And without any confusion, draw this one. So that is the A bar. Take one more example. Y equal to A plus B into B plus C into C plus A. It is the piecewise expression, product of sums expression. It can be realized by using and or not gates. To realize that one by using and or not gates, so in this one, how many sum terms are there? 3 sum terms. So it requires 3 OR gates. And for each sum term, there are 2 literals. So it requires 3 2-input OR gates. So how many? To multiply all those sum terms, it requires 1 AND gate. So how many sum terms are there? 3. So it requires 1 3-input AND gate. 3-input AND gate. So to realize piecewise expression by using AND or NOT gates, or for example, this one is equal to A bar plus B into B plus C into C plus A bar. So it requires one NOT gate, 3 OR gates, and 1 AND gate. So to realize the piecewise expression, first level gates are OR gates, and the second level gate is an AND gate. AND gate. So for that one, it requires first draw 3 2-input OR gates here. And it requires 1 AND gate. For the first OR gate, what are the inputs? A bar and B. So let us assume for this one it requires 1 NOT gate, that is A bar and B. For the second one, B plus C. B and C are the inputs. For the next one, C A bar, C, C and A bar. Output of this one is equal to A bar plus B. This one is equal to B plus C. And this one is equal to C plus A bar. C plus A bar. No doubt in that one, Y equal to A bar plus B multiplied by B plus C multiplied by C plus A bar. This is the realization of a given piecewise expression by using AND, OR, and NOT gates. AND, OR, and NOT gates. Draw that one. To realize the same expression, that is product of sums in product of sums form, by using only NOR gates, not an AND, by using only NOR gates, so same as in the previous example, so connect here two NOT gates, there is no difference in the operation of the circuit. So here OR gate followed by a NOT, so replace this one, this part of the circuit with a NOR gate. So here also. So here also. So at each input of the AND gate, there is one NOT gate. So replace the NOT gates with the bubbles at the input of the AND gate. Draw here bubbles. According to the De Morgan's theorem, bubbled AND gate is equal to the NOR gate. According to the De Morgan's theorem, bubbled AND gate is equal to the NOR gate. So replace this bubbled AND gate with the NOR gate. And replace the NOT gate also with a single input NOR gate. Actually, it is a two input NOR gate. If both the inputs are shorted, it acts as a NOT gate. So one of the input is A, output is A bar. For a two input NOR gate, yes.
థర్డ్ ఆర్ గేట్ కి ఇన్పుట్ ఏమో సి ఇవ్వాలి సార్, ఏ ఇచ్చేసారు.
Oh, sorry. Okay, good. How much time it takes to correct that one? How much time it takes? More than 5 minutes? Like it shows your interest in the subject and your attention in the subject. Okay? This is a two input NOR gate. Both the inputs are shorted. So it acts as a single input NOR gate. So it works as a NOT gate. It can also be redrawn as this one. That is a symbol for a single input NOR gate. And actually it is a two input NOR gate. Both the inputs are shorted. So here also replace a single input NOR gate. So what is the output of this gate? A bar plus B whole bar. This one B plus C whole bar. For this one C plus A bar whole bar. So what is the output of this one? And the Y is equal to A bar plus B bar into B plus C bar into C plus A bar whole bar. So according to the De Morgan's theorem, it can be rewritten as A bar plus B multiplied by
సార్ ఆర్ గేట్ అయితే ప్లస్ చేయాలి కదా
Huh? B plus C multiplied by C plus K bar. Huh? What is your doubt? What is your doubt?
నార్ గేట్ అయితే సమ్ చేయాలి కదా సార్
ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ
సార్
అంతేనా
సార్
అంతేనా
సార్
Good, very good. So the final expression y is equal to a bar plus b multiplied by b plus c multiplied by c plus a bar. What's your number?
31 సార్ 431
Your CGPA in the first year, first semester? SGPA.
జీపీఏ వెళ్ళేసి మామూలు గ్రేడ్స్ ఇచ్చారు
What's your grade?
టోటల్ గ్రేడ్ అయితే తెలియదు సార్ మామూలుగా అన్ని సమ్ సబ్జెక్టుల ప్రకారం
Okay. I think your position in the classroom, top 10, one of the top 10.
కాదు
Yes,
సార్
no.
మిడిల్
Okay. So this is output expression. Your number is number 30.
31 సార్
Okay. Y is equal to a bar plus b multiplied by b plus c multiplied by c plus a bar. So and here the important point is to realize the given POS expression by using only NOR gates. First level gates are NOR gates and the second level gate is also a NOR gate. Automatically it revises. So as a conclusion, to realize the given SOP expression by using only NAND gates, first level gates are NAND gates and the second level gate is also a NAND gate. To realize the given PO by using only NOR gates, the first level gates are the NOR gates and the second level gate is also a NOR gate. Okay? It draws. And one more point is it possible to realize the given expression, SOP expression, by using only NOR gates? And the second question is it possible to realize the given POS expression by using only NAND gates? Yes, no doubt in that one. We can realize the given SOP expression by using only NOR gates. Similarly, we can realize the given POS expression by using only NAND gates. But the procedure is different, but the procedure is different. Say, for example, to realize the expression phi is equal to AB plus BC plus CA, by using only NOR gates, before that one, we have to observe or we have to discuss about the duality and complement. Duality and complement. Dual means that for every logical expression, there must be a dual expression. And for example, a plus 1 is equal to 1. That is the one law. What is the name of that law? What is the name of that law? Don't refer your notebook. What is the name of that law?
Null law, sir.
Null law. We can write the dual for that one. Dual for that one. The dual of a logical expression can be obtained by interchanging and OR operations. By interchanging and OR operations. And operation means multiplication. OR operation means addition operation. And this is the multiplication symbol and this one is the plus symbol. And by interchanging zeros and ones in the given expression, and by interchanging zeros and ones, and if there is a 0, replace it with 1. If there is a 1, replace it with a 0. So note down that one. The dual of a Boolean expression can be obtained by interchanging and OR operations and zeros and ones. That is a duality. Say for example, the dual for this one is equal to change OR operation with AND operation. So A into 1 and 1 with 0 equal to 1 with 0. A into 0 equal to 0. It is also a valid one. It is also a valid one. It is also a null law. It is also a null law. Okay. The dual for this one is equal to this one. Similarly, A plus A bar is equal to 1. What is the name of that law?
Complement law.
Complement law. What is the dual for that one? So replace the plus symbol with a dot symbol. So A into A bar equal to 1 with a 0. So that is also a complement law. A into A bar equal to 0. That is also a complement law. What is the name of this law?
Distributive.
Distributive law. What is the complement? What is the duality for this one? And replace, and here there is a multiplication sign, and here there is a R addition. So replace this one with a plus symbol, a dot with plus symbol, and plus with a multiplication symbol. So A plus BC equal to, this one also, here there is a product. So replace with a plus sign. And here plus, replace with the multiplication sign. Here also a product. So replace with a sum. So A plus C. So A plus B into A plus C equal to A plus BC. That is also a distributive law. That is also a distributive law. The dual for this one is equal to this one. What is the procedure to obtain a dual expression for any given expression? Simply by interchanging and R operations, and by zeros and ones, and by zeros and ones. That's the procedure to obtain the dual expression. And the complement. To obtain the complement of the given expression, we have to interchange and R operations, zeros and ones, and inverting each literal. What's the difference between a duality and a complement? In the case of duality, we have to interchange and R operations, zeros and ones, only up to that part. In the case of complement, we have to interchange and R operations, zeros and ones, and complement each literal, and complement each literal. Then it gives the complement of the given expression. Complement of the given expression. Say for example, so the complement of a Boolean expression can be obtained by interchanging and R operations, zeros and ones, and by complementing each literal or inverting each literal. That is a procedure to obtain a complement of the given expression. So for example, if y equal to AB plus BC plus CA, the complement of that expression can be written as, so complement means y bar, can be written as, so interchange and R operations, complement each literal means A is the one literal, B is the other literal. So A plus B plus with the multiplication sign. Is it correct? Complement each literal. A is the literal. So what is its complement? A bar. B is the one literal. What is complement? B bar.
B bar.
So next, change plus sign with the multiplication sign. Next, change complement is the literal. So B bar. So multiplication sign with plus sign. So right here it's complement C bar. Next, multiply, replace plus symbol with the multiplication symbol. Next, C with the C bar plus A with A bar. So this is the complement of the given expression. Complement of the given expression. Complement of a given expression can be obtained by interchanging and R operations, and by interchanging zeros and ones if they are present, and complementing each literal. No doubt in that one, for this given expression, this is a complement. Y bar, that is a complement. These are all from the previous question paper problems. Note down first one. Find the dual of the function. Find the dual of the function. The given function is a dash b into c plus d plus b dash c dash d plus a b dash c. So obtain its dual. What is the procedure to obtain the dual of the given function? By interchanging and or operations and by changing zeros and ones. In this one there are no zeros and ones. So simply interchange and or operations. And or operations. It is a dual only. So take 1 minute time and write the dual of that function. Take 1 minute time and write the dual of the given function. So observe a dash in the place of multiplication plus symbol. Here also there is a multiplication. So plus c plus d, right? cd. Here plus symbol. So multiplication. So here multiplication. So write b dash plus c dash plus d. So here also multiplication. So write a plus b dash plus c. Is it correct? Is it correct? Any doubt in that one? How it can be obtained dual of a function? By interchanging and or operations. And by interchanging zeros and ones. Tell me, is it correct or not? Take one more example. Take one more example. That is also, this is also from the previous question paper. Find the complement and the dual of the given function. Find both. Find the complement and the dual of the given function. The given function is xy plus x into wz plus wz dash. First write it to dual of the given function. How it can be obtained? By interchanging and or operations and interchanging zeros and ones. In the given expression, there are no zeros and ones. So simply only interchange and or operations. So that means here there is an and operation. So convert it into r. So x plus y. So here r operation. So and operation. So next here also there is one AND operation. So convert that one into OR. So for your convenience, first write here there is one AND operation. So convert that one into OR, W plus Z. Here also W plus Z dash. So OR operation. So convert that one into AND. Okay. Next, here there is a AND operation between these two. Between this one and this one, there is an AND operation. So here, write x plus W plus Z, W plus Z dash. Here there is an AND operation. Any doubt in that one? Replace AND operations with OR operations. OR operation with AND operation. AND operation with OR operation. AND operation with OR operation. OR operation with AND operation. So here also there is one AND operation. Replace it with the OR operation. Next, what is its complement? In the case of complement, what is the procedure? Interchange AND and OR operations and complementing each literal. If we write the dual, simply complement each literal. That is a complement of the given expression. So write this one as x dash plus y dash into x dash plus w dash plus z dash into w dash plus z. This is the dual and this one is the complement. And this one is the complement. Take one more example. This is also from the previous question paper. Find the complement of the function. The complement of the function a dash b into c plus d plus b dash c dash d plus a b dash c. Find its complement. Take 1 minute time and write. Complement means interchange AND and OR operations and complementing each literal. So a dash, right here a plus b dash multiplication. So use plus sign. So here c dash into d dash plus symbol with the multiplication. Next, So for this one, multiplication. Next here, B plus C plus D dash multiplied by A dash plus B plus C dash. This is the complement of the given expression. And right here, complement of the given expression is, and you write that one. Okay, any doubt? Take one more example. Find the dual and complement of the following function. A dash, B, D dash, plus B dash into C dash plus D, C dash plus D dash, plus A dash into C dash. Find its dual and complement. Find its dual and complement. Dual of the given function is, write that one. So A dash plus B plus D dash multiplied by B dash plus C dash into D dash multiplied by A dash plus C dash. What is the complement of the given expression? So it's only change the literals in the dual of the given expression. So the complement of the given expression is, so A plus B dash plus D into B plus C D into A plus C. This is the dual of the given expression and this is the complement of the given expression. No doubt in that one, it was given for 7 marks. Take one more example. Note down the example. Find the complement and the dual of the function given below, and then reduce it to minimum number of literals. Minimum number of literals. The given expression is f is equal to a b bar into a whole multiplied by ab bar into b. That is the given expression. Find its dual and apply the minimal expression. Next, find its complement and apply the minimal expression. And then first you have to write the dual and apply the minimal expression. Next you have to write the complement and apply the minimal expression. So what is the dual for this one? Dual of the given function. And for that one you have to write f d. Here d indicates here small d indicates a dual of the given function. So that is equal to, here there is a product term, so replace it with the sum. Here there is a product term, replace with the sum. So here ab bar and the dual of this one is equal to ab bar plus a plus ab bar plus b. Here there is a multiplication sign, replace it with plus sign. Here also multiplication, replace it with plus signs.
Sir, A bar plus B bar
A bar
plus B
AB
bar,
whole
right, sir?
bar.
AB whole bar equals to A bar plus B bar. AB whole bar equals to A bar plus B bar, sir.
Okay, and for the simplification. Next, in the next step, you have to write that one as A bar plus B bar plus A bar plus, and replace AB whole bar equal to AB whole bar, and X plus X is equal to X only. According to the, what is the name of the law? X plus X equal to X. What is the name of that law?
Idempotence.
Idempotence law. So AB bar plus AB bar equal to AB bar only. So AB bar can be written as A bar plus B bar plus A plus B. A plus A bar equal to 1. B plus B bar equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. A plus A bar equal to 1. b plus b bar equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. So this is the dual of the given expression, and this is the minimal expression. And the minimal expression is equal to 1 only in this case. What is the complement of the given expression? So for the complement, you have to write f bar. Complement of the given function, write f bar. It is equal to, let us assume, and choice is yours. While writing the complement, the choice is yours. For your convenience, write AB bar is the x. Right? AB bar is the x. While writing complement of that one, AB bar bar. And the complement of that one plus A bar plus AB bar bar plus B bar. What is the procedure in writing the complement of the given expression? Change and operations and complementing each literal. So complement this one, complement this one, complement this one, and complement this one. So AB double bar equal to AB plus A bar plus AB plus B bar. A bar plus AB, what is the simplification theorem? According to simplification theorem, A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. According to simplification theorem, A plus A bar B equal to A plus B. In other words, A bar plus AB equal to A bar plus B. A bar, according to the simplification theorem, A bar plus AB is equal to A bar plus B. A bar plus AB is equal to A bar plus B. Simply, B bar plus BA is equal to, according to the simplification theorem, B bar plus A. So B plus B bar is equal to 1. A plus A bar is equal to 1. So finally, this one also is equal to 1. In both the cases, simplification expression is equal to 1 only. Take one more example. Take one more example. Actually, it was given for 14 marks, not for the 7 marks also. It was given for 14 marks. Find the complement of the following Boolean functions, but here there are 2 functions, so for each one 7 marks. Find the complement of the following Boolean functions and reduce them to minimum number of literals. And reduce them to minimum number of literals. First, note one example. B dash D plus A dash B C dash plus A C B plus A dash B C. and then find out its complement and obtain the minimal expression. So it was given for 7 marks. Find its complement and obtain the minimal expression. First, find its complement. For example, if it is equal to f, the complement of the given expression, f dash or f bar, both are the same, is equal to b plus d dash into a plus b dash plus c into a dash plus c dash plus d into a plus b dash plus c dash. That is the complement of the given function.
సార్ డి డాష్ సార్ థర్డ్ దాంట్లో
ఎక్కడ
డి డాష్ ఏ డాష్ ప్లస్ సి డాష్ ప్లస్ డి డాష్
obtain the minimal expression for that one. According to the transposition theorem, what is the transposition theorem? X plus y into x bar plus z is equal to x bar y plus xz. That is the transposition theorem. What is the modification of the transposition theorem? X plus y into x bar plus y is equal to y only. This is the modification of the transposition theorem. X plus y into x bar plus y is equal to y only. That is according to the transposition theorem. Obtain the second and fourth terms. Let a plus b dash is the x. A plus b dash is the x in the second and fourth terms. So this one is x plus c and this one is x plus c dash. According to the transposition theorem, x plus c into x plus c dash is equal to x only. So according to the transposition theorem, so from the second and fourth terms, it can be written as a plus b dash from the first and the third terms. According to the distributive law, a plus b into a plus c equal to a plus bc. A plus bc. So here, let d dash is equal to a. This one is equal to b and this one is equal to c. So a, b, c. So it can be written as, according to the distributive law, from the first and the third terms, d dash plus product of these two. Product of these two. And that means a dash b plus b c dash. The product of these two, a dash b plus b dash into c. Sorry, or b into c dash. if you expand this one, so this one is equal to A D dash plus B dash D dash plus A into A dash 0. Next to B into B dash 0. Next A B C dash. Next B into B dash 0. So it contains only the terms A D dash plus B dash D dash plus A B C A B C dash. Is it correct? By multiplication, A into D dash, B dash into D dash, A into A dash 0, B into B dash 0, next A into A B C dash, next to B into B dash 0. So this is the minimal expression, no doubt in that one. That is the minimal expression. How many number of literals are there in this one? A, B, 2, D, 3, B dash 4, C dash 5, D dash 6. There are 6 literals in that one. There are 6 literals in that one. So this is the complement and this is the minimal expression. So here we have to apply transposition theorem for these two and a distributive law for these two. And the second one is F is equal to B C dash plus A dash D whole multiplied by A B dash plus C D dash. That is a given expression. What is the complement of the given expression? So F dash and F bar can be written as, so B dash plus C multiplied by A plus D dash plus A dash plus B multiplied by C dash plus D. That is a complement of the given expression. And the first step for this one, multiply, and from this one write, for your convenience, write A B dash plus A into C plus B dash D dash plus C D dash plus A dash C dash plus B into C dash plus A dash B plus BD. Next, minimize the remaining part of the expression. Minimize this expression. In the minimal expression, there are only 4 literals. There are only 4 literals. So obtain the minimal expression. Do it as a homework. Do it as a homework. And one important hint is apply consensus theorem or the included factor theorem in this one. Try to apply included factor theorem and obtain the minimal expression. Obtain the minimal expression, do it as a homework. Do it within 5 minutes or 10 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour or 2 hours or up to Monday third period time. Okay, obtain the minimal expression for this part. Do it as a homework. Okay. Okay. What is the procedure to realize the given SOP expression by using only NAND gates? First level gates are NAND gates and the second level gate is also a NAND gate. What is the procedure to realize the given POS expression by using only NOR gates? First level gates are NOR gates and the second level gate is also a NOR gate. And now observe the procedure to realize the given SOP expression by using only NOR gates. By using only NOR gates. For your convenience, realize the given expression y is equal to A bar B plus BC plus CA bar. That is SOP expression. Realize that one with only NOR gates. With only NOR gates. Don't get confused. Follow carefully. What is the complement of that expression? A plus B bar multiplied by B bar plus C bar multiplied by C bar plus A. That is the complement of the given expression. What is y bar bar? That is equal to y only. Actually, y bar bar equal to y only. So actually this is a y bar. What is its bar? A plus B bar plus C bar plus A whole bar. Actually this is the y bar. Y bar bar that is equal to y only. Forget about this complement. The complement of the given expression is in POS form. Product of sums form. To realize the given expression in QoS form by using NOR gates, what is the procedure? First level gates are the NOR gate, second level gate is the NOR gate. Second level gate is the NOR gate. Actually, in the given expression, so to realize this expression by using only NOR gates, first realize this expression by using only NOR gates, and the realization of the given POS expression by using only NOR gates. First level gates are the NOR gates, and the second level gate is also a NOR gate. So to realize this one by using only NOR gates, it requires in the first level 3 NOR gates. Follow carefully. Requires 3 NOR gates. In the second level also, one 3 input NOR gate. A, B bar. A. For B bar, here use one single input NOR gate. So it acts as a NOT gate. So this is A plus B bar. Here B bar, C bar. So this is B bar. And for C bar, use one single input NOR gate here also. So this is B bar, C bar inputs. For the next one, C bar, A. C bar, A. No doubt in that one. The output of this NOR gate is the Y bar. The output of this NOR gate is the Y bar, and it is in POS form. To realize the POS expression by using only NOR gates, what is the procedure? What is the procedure? First level gates are NOR gates, and the second level gate is also a NOR gate. So this is to realize the Y bar, not Y. So to realize Y double bar, that is equal to Y, and this is a Y bar realization. So to require Y, connect here one single input NOR gate. That means a 2 input NOR gate acts as a single input NOR gate. No doubt in that one. Output of this one is equal to Y double bar, that is equal to Y only. That is equal to Y only. This is a procedure to realize the given expression by using only NOR gates. This is a procedure to realize the given SOP expression, not the POS. To realize the SOP expression by using only NOR gates. Here, the important point is observe the procedure. To realize the given SOP expression by using only NOR gates, first level gates are NOR gates, second level gates are NOR gates, and connect a single input NOR gate in the third level. And one more important point is complement each input variable. Observe the procedure. First level gates are NOR gates. The second level gate is a NOR gate, and you have to connect a single input NOR gate in the third level and complement each input variable, and actually observe not y bar, observe y expression. Here a bar b. Here we have to connect for the first NOR gate, not a bar and b, a and b bar, a and b bar. So for this one, not bc, b bar and b bar and c bar. For this one, c bar and a, c bar and a. So forget about this part of the explanation. Here the important point is the realization of given SOP expression by using only NOR gates. What is the procedure? First level gates are NOR gates, second level gate is also a NOR gate, and we have to connect a single input NOR gate in the third level and complement each input variable and complement each input variable. So if it is a bar and b, connect simply a and b bar, a and b bar. If it is b and c, connect b bar and c bar. If it is c and a bar, connect c bar and a. Automatically it revises, no doubt in that one. Don't get confused. Memorize once again. To realize SOP expression by using only NAND gates, first level NAND, second level NAND, that is sufficient. To realize SOP expression by using only NOR, SOP by using only NOR, first level NOR, second level NOR, we have to connect a single input NOR in the third level and complement each input variable. Okay, that's the procedure. Write one line. To realize the given SOP expression, write one line. To realize the given SOP expression by using only NAND gates, comma, first level gates are NAND gates, and the second level gate is also a NAND gate, Next line. To realize the given SOP expression by using only NOR gates, the first level gates are NOR gates, the second level gate is also a NOR gate, and we have to connect a single input NOR gate in the third level and a single input NOR gate in the third level and complement each input variable. So that is the procedure. Similarly, to realize the given POS expression, by using only NOR gates, the first level gates are NOR gates and the second level gate is also a NOR gate, automatically it revises. POS by using NOR. Next, to realize the given POS expression, the same procedure. POS expression by using only NAND. Is first level gates are NAND gates. The second level gate is also a NAND gate. And we have to connect a single input NAND gate in the third level and complement each input variable. And complement each input variable. That is the procedure to realize the given POS expression by using only NAND gates. Only NAND gates. So for your convenience, draw this one. This is the realization of given SOP by using only NOR gates. Let's take one more example. Realize the given POS expression. B plus C into C plus A bar. ఉంటే మనం ఇంకా ఆఫ్లో కావాలి. To realize the given POS expression by using only NAND gates, first level gates are NAND gates. To realize the given POS expression by using only NAND gates, first level gates are NAND gates. The second level gate is also a NAND gate. And you have to connect a single input NAND gate at the output and complement each input variable. So for that one, in this one, there are three subterms. In the first level, it requires three NAND gates. Second level gate is also a NAND gate. And you have to connect a single input NAND gate in the third level. This is a Y bar, actually, and this is a Y. And complement each input variable. Say for the first one, A bar, so connect A only. So B, so connect the B bar. Use a single input NAND gate. Next, B, so connect the B bar. Next, C, connect C bar. So use here a single input NAND gate. Next C. So connect C bar. So A bar. So connect A. No doubt in that one, it automatically realizes the given expression. To realize the POS expression by using only NAND gates, the first level gates are NAND gates, the second level gate is also a NAND gate, and you have to connect a single input NAND gate in the third level and complement all input variables. And complement all input variables. That is a procedure. Okay, we will meet in the Monday third hour. Okay, any doubts up to this part? Any doubts up to this part? Today's topics are realization of given SOP expression by using only NAND and only NOR. The realization of given POS expression by using only NOR and only NAND. Next, dual and complement of the given functions. Dual and complements of the given functions. Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, we will meet in Monday third hour. Dear students, hello.
సార్
ఇప్పుడు నేను పార్టిసిపెంట్ చూస్తే 69 ఉన్నారు. మొత్తం అందరూ ఉండాలి కదా? ఎందుకని లేరు? ఎందుకని వెళ్ళిపోయారు? ఇంత టైం తీసుకుని చెప్పేది ఎందుకోసం మేము? మీకోసమనే. సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పింది మీరు ఈ రోజు కనుక మళ్ళీ కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటే మీకు గుర్తుండిపోతాయి, లేకపోతే లేకపోతే సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు నా క్లాస్కి మీరు ఊరికే మీ సెల్ ఫోన్ ఆన్ చేసుకుని బయట తిరుగుతున్నారు అనుకోండి, మీకు ఉపయోగం ఏముంది అసలు? మీ లైఫ్ని మీరే చూసుకోవాలి. మీ లైఫ్ని ఎవరు ఏం చేంజ్ చేయరు. ఈ కరోనా ఎఫెక్ట్ వల్ల ఫిజికల్గా క్లాస్ మనం చెప్పలేకపోతున్నాం. సరే, మండే కలుద్దాం మనం. ఓకే.